In this video, I am going to share powerful Ramana Maharshi quotes on fear and how to attain real freedom from fear. If you listen keenly, you can understand and realize who you are in your essence. So let's start. The first quote is: fear is a result of weakness of mind or of the notion that you are the body. As long as there is the body, there will be fear. What is weakness of mind? In simple words, is just ignorance. When you see and experience that you are the body, that's ignorance. And why do you experience that? Because you blindly believe in people around you and you don't dare to see your reality yourself. You believe the mind, you believe the people around you. That's what ignorance is. The second quote is: fear arises only when there is the second. When you see something apart from yourself. What is reality? What exists in reality? These are not simple questions. You need to sit with them and reflect on yourself by being still and silent within. Who you are in your essence. That's what you need to think about. But it's not an object of knowledge that you can get your answers in words and concepts. You will not get your answers in words and concepts. Words only point to the truth, they are not the truth. And only when you are silent within, you realize you only exist here and now. That's the self, the non dual one. These are not borrowed words, these must be your realization, your direct experience. Only then can you be free. The third quote is: the ego's very nature is fear. Its birth is fear, its life is fear, and its death is fear. Find out the ego, and the fear will vanish. What's the ego? What's ego? The idea of self. The real self is not an idea, it is not in ideas. The real self is right here where you are devoid of all the learned ideas. It exists when you do not believe in anything at all. In emptiness, in the emptiness of mind, you are. You are yourself. That's the real self. In that, there can't be individuals. There is only you. So, how can there be any fear? The fourth quote is: the self is peace itself. Fear cannot exist when you remain as the self. This is very straightforward. You are peaceful when you know you exist as everything. There is nothing else apart from you. But how would you realize this in your own experience? That's the only question. That's the only effort you need to make. And that happens when you become still. The mind no longer believe in words. That's when you see truth. The fifth quote is: what is fear? It is only a thought. If there is anything else besides the self, there is a reason to fear. So only when you believe in ideas, you believe in your mind that which is just a social influence, that's only reason you fear. Because you think you are the body. But in reality, you are everything that is. This is seen only in thoughtlessness. This is seen only in silence. That's why it said, silence is the whole truth. The sixth quote is: you fear death because you think you are the body. Discover who dies, and fear will disappear. Keep questioning yourself and see who is the one that dies. The body is accumulated, the mind is gathered. Both of these are not you. Clearly see this fact as it is. Only in a still mind can you perceive truth. So the body was never yours, it's an appearance in the self, and nothing real dies. The self is the only reality, and it can never die because it is not in forms. It is not in any form, any particular form. It is everything and it is nothing. The seventh quote is: When the I thought arises, fear follows. When the I thought subsides, there is no fear. So abide where there is no I thought. What is the I thought? It is the thought that says, I am the body, I am a person, I am an individual, I am right here. Only because there are thoughts that you believe in without seeing the reality can be otherwise. In silence, you see yourself. You be yourself fully because there is no mind that is any social influence. Mind is social influence. And if you set aside all the words you have learned from others, that's freedom, that's enlightenment. The eighth quote is, in dream you see many frightening things, but on waking, where are they? So too, fear vanishes on waking to the self. The reality is the whole existence. There are no divisions. Know yourself, but reality is not an object of knowledge. It is seen when the mind and thoughts subside. You can believe everything, but that will only be a dream in the mind. You have no relation with that dream whatsoever. You simply create the dream and you only get lost in it. Because you are lost in thoughts, you are lost in thinking, and that's why you are not able to perceive the truth as it is. So, the truth is, there is only you here. Be still and know you are God. These are not mere words, this is a realization that can happen to you. So go beyond the mind, the thoughts, and be free. Thank you.